All right, just doing a quick video for Gavin. He had some questions regarding my little setup here. This thing is pretty sweet. Like I told him, this was installed by the folks at my local ARB because I tried it myself and just ran into some issues. The wiring harness is a little bit more complex than what I am qualified to do. I'm just a simple helicopter pilot, not a Sparky. And now I know where they get the term Sparky. Sparks did fly. But anyways, this is the side wing on my Drifta system. You can see how close it is to the jack. We had to remove those plastic covers here, which is no big deal because this is where I keep my hose bag for the air up kit. And it fits into that recess nicely. It makes it easy access for when I want to air up my tires. But yeah, he's got it mounted just on the outside of this drawer. It does not impede with the operation of the sliding of the pullouts at all. So pretty good. And it's in here nice and snug. I did warm up quite a bit when I aired up 4 tires. I went from 16 psi to 36 psi on all 4 over the course of about 7 minutes to do all 4 tires, and they're 285/70 R17 mud terrains. So this whole system warmed up a little bit. So I'm happy that it's got enough airflow here to cool off. I wouldn't want to do more than 1 set of tires, only because of that heat aspect. And then I still retained this little 12-volt cigarette plug for use later. When I had Drifta install my cabinets here, they put a lead that comes from my dual battery over to this side. It's tough to see, but there's an Anderson plug in here somewhere that's connected to that whole setup. The wiring harness is kind of tucked in underneath there. I'm not going to dig it out for you. So that was a little bit of foresight. Originally, they were supposed to install this whole system, but they never ordered the compressor. I said, hey, just run the lead with the battery cable, and then I'll get to it later. But it's pretty sweet. I'm really happy with how all of it works and how it's all integrated into the box here. And if I need to take these out for whatever reason, it's just a quick unplug on the Anderson plug, and that cable will still be back there. But I don't anticipate taking these out. They're really quite nice to have. I've got plenty of storage and utility for whatever it is that I need. Anyways, that's how it looks. If you have any more questions, feel free to shoot me a message. I'll chat with you later. Bye.